This is assignment number 4. You guys are going to try and create the offset surfaces here. That is in your generative wireframe surface workbench. Okay, so 3D. Oh, come on. You know what? I maybe let my computer time out here. Anyways, it's found in Transformation tab, and it's this one over here called Offset. So this exercise is all about working with offset in the generative wireframe surfacing workbench application. So make sure to activate that. I'm going to try and close my CATIA down and hope for the best. So you're going to make a spline. Just make something that looks similar to my white spline in the background. You'll notice it's on my salmon colored surface. So you're going to offset it so it looks kind of like this. I want you to make it a different color so I can tell which is which. You're going to make a picture of what it looks like on V5 and show me your specification tree. I want this picture here. I don't need this side view. It should get it offset enough to where I can tell there's an offset. And then you're going to try and do multiple offsets. And tell me, it says list of steps to create the multiple surfaces. I want to know what features you use to create multiple surfaces. So this is what it looks like on V5. You're going to make the comparison shot to the 3D experience and give me the steps on how to do that. See, I don't know why I did this. This one I made the yellow surface and then offset it in both directions. So in one step, you can offset them in both directions. All right, I want you to make a picture of that one versus what it's going to look like in V5 versus 3D experience. Sorry. All right, this one here, make your curve look a little more sharp. All right, and then go on both sides and see how far up you down. I want to make sure that curve's got to look similar to this one though. All right, and you're going to find that you can only offset it so far. I want you to try and figure out why you can only offset that so far. I want to get a picture of when you offset too many. This is what you're going to get. So outward I can go as far as I want, but inward you can only go so far inward. Okay, and that's what I want you to experiment with. So you can basically be working with that one, go inward, except that I didn't do the colors. Okay, so you can start over just for practice and build one. Or you can take your existing one and get a picture and show me the tree. And you'll see this error up in here. Explain the error to me. Okay, I'm just going to tell you what these are so you'll have that for your future reference. So if you go to V5, this will be a picture you can reference what V5 was, but you'll see it looks real similar. This one is explode. I want to say revolve. Sphere, cylinder, offset. This is the sweep command. This is the fill command. This is multi-surface, and this is blend. Oh, I just shut my CATIA down. All right, these here, you look at those and compare them to my CATIA. I'm in generative wireframe surfacing in the surface tab. This one here is the extrude. When I hit this down arrow, these four here, they are almost identical looking. to the ones in the Word doc. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your first 4. Extrude, revolve, sphere, cylinder. See how V5 is just like 3D? And this one over here, if you put your tooltip on it, it tells you it's a sweep. This one tells you it's the fill. This one tells you it's multi-section. And this one tells you it's blend. And those pictures will look just like each other from the other end. So you just got to list them out here. Keep it in red so I can see it. All right. And then you're going to have a picture of your new V5 3D experience versus your V5 of that. You're going to go to the 3D online document. I want a picture of what it looks like now in 3D experience, and that will conclude that exercise.